Mama mama naka mama mama naka mama mama nana mama naka mama mama nana maraka da 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 maraka. Oh wait, where's the card? Maraka, take the train. Maraka, mananaka, you can take it to the train and use it on the subway. Yeah. Subway and train, same thing. Oh, you can take it to the train or go to Konbini, mananaka, mananaka. And cut. Yeah, hi. So, Manaka card or subway card, Suica, I don't know what others are called. But definitely here in Nagoya, this is a good card to have. It costs maybe like 500 yen. So it's like you spend 2,000 yen. 500 is to buy the actual card. And then 1,500 is the amount of credit or whatever they put on it. It's so useful. Like, you could go to the konbini and use it. They accept this. And, you know, buy your whatever and stuff. You can also use it at the vending machines instead of cash. So it's pretty handy. Never leave home without it. Also, what you must never leave home without is this baby here. Ooh, magic. Can't see. Can't see. I don't only see because you can copy my information and then Gaijin card. Okay? Never leave home without it either because the police will stop you. Not because you're black, not because you're fat, not because you're white, not because you're tight. Because you are a foreigner. And they have a right to stop you apparently because you gave trouble. So, yeah. So make sure you have it. Gaijin card. So two things. What two cards you don't leave without? Gaijin card and a Manaka card. In the next episode of Survival Tips for Japan, we'll talk about what every person in Japan does to make a major life-changing decision. And it's not what you think.